Hello, this is Lee Mallett from Mallett Buildings. Continuing our series, number 5. Let's talk about 2x6 wall girts and 2x6 roof purlins, all ground treated in a Mallett number 1 building. Most companies that you're going to get a bid from to bid against, you're going to use 2x4s on the purlins, 2x6s on the wall girts, and they're all going to be untreated. We don't do that. We use a 2x6 on a Mallett building, a number 1 premium Mallett building, is a 2x6 kiln dried roof purlins and wall girts on the whole building. Why? Because on the roof, I use 2x6s because I'm trying to build a strongest building, the best building in the industry. And how do I do that? By using the best materials and the strongest materials. So we don't use 2x4s on our purlins. We don't use white wood. We use all ground treated. Ground treated lumber has a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer against rot and fungal decay and termites. You must understand in Louisiana, which has one of the most heavily infested termites in the country, that using treated lumber is important for the longevity of your building. It may cost you more up front, but in time, over 50 years, 60 years, it's not going to cost you that much more, maybe $50, $60 a year when you look at it like that. So look long term when you buy your building, because you want your building to last, not just you, your kids, your grandkids. You're making an investment. And that investment should be the best quality materials money can buy. And I think that is exactly what we do. So when considering buying a building, make sure that whoever you're buying your building from is using treated lumber, kiln dried lumber, and make sure that he's using 2x6s on the whole building. Then you're getting a good product. So give us a call, and we're glad to help you. Thank you for listening.